koda ngomasuamu ye fa no contact hours bra teacher ni akoda no hia e classroom ne ba bia mbasua de bia before free senior high school and before the double track no na the whole academic year 1,005 hours and akoda no etna classroom and teacher ni na contact what suamu for say
1,005 hours
academic year.
Okay.
Yeah, ba ban mu no. I dey double track ne ba ne bibia no. E dey by friend ne friend no intervention. Intervention ne ye extra motivation e dey ma teachers. Ne extend the time e pon 2 no dey call 4. Through that no, the contact hours moved from 1,005 hours to 1,031 hours. The effect was that and koda throw first batch of free senior high school for a throw was they had the best results in the last decade in this country. Nasi banchi nya ijani nsuo na chere no. Enti otena ho na munum ho na mo sresa ma ha na ye be yan ngoma ade ya. Ma bre. School for the deaf. And it's sabi enifa for ne asosiefo ene ememumfo suku aye wo mampo akropon. Almost feeding grant mahama mo fadi ya o man tua kapre ba fa fon nebo. The schools had to close down because government was not releasing their feeding grant to them. Just one school feeding grant.
Yeah, be.
Fa fon nebo 2014 or so I forgot the year. O dey fa fon nebo. Say government owes school for the deaf feeding grant. O dey boss abon say be story na bro. So dey da wo dwuma mu a. Eno achi. Ye wo school timeti say 3 northern regions no omutimi makwan way before say yeah what happened makwan because omu feeding grant na nko under mahama enti tana ma wejina no the Ghana for madaja wo enti batra na wo breso even feeding grants for 3 northern regions no ntimi ntuama senior schools or mo close school no entem da yeah was ya ekrapum for in for school ntimi ntuama feeding grant aban bia ba wakani nyina abomu tiani nyina tua feeding grant bibia na obetana say ununu hu na ho sra etie for Ghana for na eti
mate
me manu sin nana if you big government of Ghana grant GOG grant about the senior high schools and then our de maintaining school no throughout Mahama 4.5 years obedi as president one academic year pet the na buy the local schools now, baby now cry maintenance at their crown or form. This is what we're talking about. And yeah, Kufado neighbor whom ya baya. One no a bank or down Messian and Kodadi Shawan 7 mana. Omo a day a down Maswa.
Okay,
2 animal.
But
it is good, sir. The wire the BC next 3 weeks. A Basso Life and Khaled.
Mate.
And Kranos also know. Omuya this year try on so but I school to free or senior high school.
Nidinde Asase Jima Oye communication team member of the ruling New Patriotic Party ena yete nkema menkenka mo messages kakra na memra eye kabori hono Abdullahi Mohammed say explain the 24-hour economy nye no ho nkomo na yedie. Elisha Nanaba Wasa or say good morning. Please talk about our national service allowance for us. We are done with our national service, but our clearance are not even out. We issue Elisha Ede Ebana. Elisha say, please talk about it for us. You mebacho mate message na makayama on Facebook no. And Bra Yaw, we did me name some boni ye dia. Bra Yaw. Or say Asase Jima was my tutor way back in senior high school at OT 20 OT bay yeah OT Abrempon okay OT or say or 2018 batch no or say some of my colleagues were sacked during WAEC exams which was so sad and they failed into way asema asasi Jamaica na ono so edibi eba beto so no Ebenezer AJ or say tell asasi Jima that enye NDC for na de WAEC issue ne babonti ne mum eye WAEC for no a enete e babonti no eben mate and Ebenezer Krono or say the NDC guy spoke very well. Inti eben so edi no amenko eye WhatsApp ne so na mo message kakra no menkenkan ho no mo emfa emam. Or say I'll tell the MPP guy to stop politicizing this issue. It's the future of our children in Ghana as well. You yate. And Solomon Anane, or near Solomon Anane of Jabin. Or say Yaw Sasigimekana is palpable falsehood, and he's lying. Solomon Anane, communication team member of NDC, and Mr. Enin, a principal, a technical, a TV school. Ewo bekwae o say yaw good morning na anopei mehwe musu no very educative na mani age ho pa Victor ewo nkawie o say brayaw mehwe show no ne abusuafo no nyina ewo nkawie o say good morning me ma oni team no nyina achi na Kwame Fosu esoso ewo boase o say good morning yaw anopei the show is very educative also so odie no and okay Luta mpacho me yama sisi ya mamemra eye kabore hono kabore on waik any issue see ora John Kapi abesete records ni street say sikano eye 47 million Ghana cedis and kwambia so exams no ebeba so
me dance bebre de dikan mayankai minua asase jima any MPP fo nyina se enye NDC ana woka se obi di obi ka timano nkoye na dwuma we are major online BEC might be postponed if government fails to release 90 million WAEC.
Yes, WAEC
no wotini so hye mu onim se de hye no fa no wode na asem abeto Ghana fo anim NDC amanoku bi a eba no Ghana nwoma sua eda yakoma so kese enu ntinka WAEC ba ya ne yesi WAEC mo no monya mo asem mo nko amomfa dabi as a key stakeholder in the governance of this country na hu be hia se yede ya no tumbi sanse beni se ka onantini a na account krono ye ya yetimbi chia yetimbi especially so in democratic dispensation opposition wujumadi usudie kese pa na se obey constructive criticism aban no wo twasa na beni so se di wo twasa na wonim se na chiachia tia ye gina chire na ye so die se ye tenetene mo hey sika no mo mfa nko e mana dachi se ni ye boni ayaye ene se ye di ye no obetum se ye mana dachi nti munya sikadie bebrebe no munya adan kesiesie munya kasa kese to munya lupri akese fro na mumfa sika no hye ye mma no masuam ye boni ayaye no sebe ye se wonni peni wo fi adue tika mwanya futufu na makase bia wo de mwati nkese na mwanya futufu ni etumufu no so eye mo haw ti asase enka no ba bia da se NDC ene de election because akabosu mensia eye WAEC ena hunu se na wotwepe no aka no wo mo ankasa na eba na ye too late no mbekasa wofo kura bebo mo so bo ena ntempa no a wo mo abeyi sutira enam so modi amememfe akoyi kakra wo mpaase aba modi ababe so dwumadi no asene nowhere in previous years and abofra bia register so wo twere wasi and what classroom no bia be pam no nowhere insida but unim it was school and my friend who will be what I say number ma unu bi so wo ma twere de bibia opening it was school obu ho kra registration process of no hunjim enti enu da ye twere exams no database no kra ni din so enti oba you are seen as a foreign person you will not be allowed entry see a whole studios right you see you never for common ID card member that registration me mamba bi na fe ye ba ha na me see me wura mu o ma pere mu so that was the challenges we had in those days student absenteeism emma kwara ni bu okura hwe ne ma me nim so school so no ni ho ni nyina ya de a na hadwene a ye nyina egusu ye dey even in nekra e wo free senior school o pese wo tie ase ehunu say it is still a problem ya hwe nkwara dodo a ye fa omo at the time of recruitment and enrollment. Na hen kwara do omo ko final exams. It's just a lot of people are being left on the chain. Abra ye kwe nim na bi mu etiteto bi mu de empre wanyi se bi mu de ono aso de mi ni ade. But you go so ye tu ye ho fo. Say wo da ache ne wo masua to bi ama na ni nye den. Enko ho. Ene asem a yewura John Kapi abeka no. Aya dansi die befe. Se ne se ye tu kontompa de so okrum ha. MPP party ni begu. Because one kasa ya ma ya ti ase se home party no Fapim kese ni hiri pa ni nkontompo. Eye den e na the 47 million ama obi. Na onobo anodompe wo ba begina wo ba fra pa ka kire wiase nyina so the 80 million e ma no. A balance of 33 million Ghana cedis na wa hin ana what ya to them. Wo ho man chichire ingredients bi wo mu a ye yifiri mu anya yie. Principle, truth, accountability. Say woni ni pe kasa na wontimi nka no kura nkyere omo a ye tene say obu okura woni ma omo nti wo beka 80 million no ane ye yafa sanse sebi ye wuru enim ko suru nti ene wono a sika no akọ omo so ye say obua eye 47 million in any serious democratic dispensation. That honorable member will cease to be honorable. Because your friend disciplinary committee amana answer question because parliament is a house of record. Assembly a wokano can who say what dance here etachiri. This is John Dramani Mahama in your friend saying 15 early 2015. Now oka about progressively free senior high school who asem. Ti asem okay. Or say beginning from the 2015-2016 academic year, the payment of fees by day students in senior high schools will be abolished. President Mahama, delivering his speech, he stated, "Say the cost government will absorb is about 71 million Ghana cedis for the first year,
and only for the
free, progressively free senior high school day students."
Okay.
71 million Ghana cedis. Openi asasi jima. Unya 150 million free. This was State of Nations address and it reflected in the budget. Into 150 million no. Wow, trend war asante mampo wo dem na adeba mboa. Osansi da na Akufo-Addo ebe your friend is in free senior high school no. Ono no they said 90 million yesterday. Tia for 2018, out of the 1.13 billion budget allocation, the finance ministry released 1.13 billion with 904 million expended. 1.13 billion. And I'm starting free senior school. What you say? It was around 95 billion and Shakura say Muhammad. Why do we sit on TV and radio all the time? Why do we do that?
Mate.
Media message. Ye kikanyina no nya obi ye yama no offer. Nipa wa Ghana ha no say ye woma so ye ma ye nya magbogotafo.
Mate.
Enu ti na make say amammo Fapim kese enukuredie. You need a trustworthy leadership. That leadership NDC amanyoku and Kane John Dramani Mahama. Yan fire ntoma no wo mo de ensi ani. Munyina mo meka ye ho ba akufo ntire danfo. Kabore nkwanti Mahama nya mampanini. Kabore nkwanti ma NDC nya ban. Fa wo de be pam me de ani. Na ye nyina yan ka ye humbom. Yan chichire amagana no se de penum pempen so a ye pese duro. Na ye
Mahmoud Kabore was Dean of NDC Communicators war Asante Mantem. As on free SHS budget and a friend say free education for a day students budget awukutino. Muru Kabore say
on the opportunity. They all quarantine. They all bad thing. Do now nothing through do. Don't promise but my independent checks. But you see, the if you say very instructive, say, and Koda action software ama ya pam wo e dey free e classroom no nwanwa say nua Mahmood oboapa shin trosa say seed da say akwada bi de school fees ka na say or the tuition fees kan tie so he wan twerɛ bi so say seed da no Mahmood where say expose big time because my king Ghana ni bia nim o producer otia onim one your good self unim obia nim say net sisi na university cry and pam for school fees masters level because me masters those days yeah pam for school fees our examination center enti JHS senior school they na rampant today say no so ebia na sasa bre oya manyoni mahamata wonya bi dini adinti now they na wetimi tua ma wa afford na yempamwa
enya sa no
how can you tell me say see that say apama kra school say or the schools are what the tuition fees ka anyway you see NDC is on record the government Mahama government is on record say omakoje bosia say the BC hospital no ma divert $6 million of that bosia or money dim bosiano to go and do NDC election research tenio
omakoje bosia the BC hospital
say bosiano botai ne say yankoje bosia and pharmacy hospitals
yeah
na omoyi say sikanumu $6 million say they acquire research NDC party election research as whether they will win the elections or not. Sanko for it because say yes spend this carry we see OGD. Obia ultimate tua and if for ene sabe dump deaf and down ultimate tua mo feeding grant ma school near tumu no. Unya 7 million progressive fees na high school. That does it add up? Obi a ultimate GOG grant MN for maintaining senior high schools who was carry a free education progressively 70 million. Obi a northern region Saturday in Chemu 3 upper east upper west northern region senior school what me mark before time because of feeding grants a new school one who was carry free education progressively. Enti abusafo NDC Yera Mahama he hasn't demonstrated check schools check a friend say upgrade check your danya you buy SCA had they improve the lots of senior high schools name you go around and check buildings are progu senior high schools no yen minim senior high school go chroma say ya buy yen sisi adan prungu ho a me ka say eno kwa na yi 90% of double track every system man na nkra no school no because 6 unit classroom block 12 units 18 units ya sisi ya progo 777 ya pro gare go baby so the investment that this government Iowa senior high school check that stem
okay
you understand and uti media they made there in all of this and they say one it is not going to be possible sir under this government watch I don't know this education number I don't know fire bonko da no ho kai bi si da in na for public now in all of this was say but so na sika binti ama so ensi sa number sa motie say for the first time in Ghana's history no BC amasu because of Ekaedi Wayek for any money bewu
mate
and again Wayek for the catcher say they will only need 47.5 million a year Ghana cedis or 48 million Ghana cedis to start to ride the wasino a BC you know that and the government
Wayek for can say
need 48 million Ghana cedis to be able to ride the BEC. And the government will in I'm not saying that any car bind the
Yes, Matthias. And instead of 90 million, I say a BEC, you know. They needed, say,
Mr. Kapiye, they 48 million to ride the BEC as Baba, correct. And the government iron.
Okay.
And every government that got Bia has had cause to owe a certain amount of money.
Mate.
And also waiting my own.
Mate. But I say, I don't pay Kakabori Mamino.
Because Pakasa,
just 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Yeah, education after they go we as pity obi the 6 million obi stand so for prove mra when the point we are talking
now on approve by approve by what they want to start on as my can over the years I want to
open as I say
me ko de e beto aso na bi so kabori e beto aso na so
now obi can accept obi can accept
hold on so obama opportunity me time na so I'm for the fancy na menya birthday si na me sorry what the fancy Calvin Pacho menya birthday imra happy birthday to Fosihima Precious I'm for happy birthday to Precious of Fosihima from her husband Ampem Da Costa, a former Kotoko player. Say owo baby any Gold Stars. Enti Precious of Osuhima okunu former Asante Kotoko player. Ampem Da Costa say omo happy birthday. And happy birthday to Ernestina Ejewa. Happy birthday to Ernestina Ejewa. And yentoaso or say happy birthday to Oforiwa Obeng Ofori Ata. Happy birthday to Oforiwa Obeng Ofori Ata from your father Christian Ofori Ata near Busianing a happy birthday. And happy birthday to Mamen Kwasi na Menkani. You say happy birthday to Senior Chief Officer Michael Kupel, or a Chief Officer Administration, Ghana Prisons Officers Training School from DSP David Kwabna Jima, or a Greek officer, Ankafu Main Prison Camp, and Luther Ken near Busianina. Yes, happy birthday, Senior Officer Michael Kupel, or a Chief Officer Administration. Prison Officers Training School. Happy birthday. Moro, 30 seconds. Food shortage hate-free senior high school. Our student has to go home early to avoid shame. 27th August 2021. Na mama na president na. 27th August 2021. Okay. Parents. Oh, mama. Let me finish my 30 seconds. You have your own. Parents concerned over poor quality of meals served because of food shortage, and also another major online. Okay, there are plethora of stories. Okay, about free. Until we catch them, me wahase. Na mama nkwaya president. Na the short to northern region. You lack principle. Mate. You try to understand. Mate. You have a PRO of why catch us. Omuko free near my exams. I know you that you. Mate. Pity. And now pity. Hey. Mate. As I said, I'm in teal for 30 seconds. You know. I'm in teal. My joy. Is my joy online. 2018. October 16th. NDC and Mahama blew $6 million hospital loan on election research in here. The election research. It's more idea here no crano. And I'm the I didn't see that man about easy. For me I don't promote Mahmoud Kaborinka or a dean of NDC communicators Ashanti region and Asasi Jima as also a communication